AI will not replace your job, but people in your domain that know how to use AI will be the ones to replace your job. Yes, there are debates around, is AI making people more intelligent or less intelligent? And it's been the same even when the calculators and computers were invented. People believed that the usage of technology such as calculators and computers is going to make people less intelligent. However, as we look back, we know that it's the advent of technology such as calculators and computers that has made newer innovations at different scale possible. 100 years ago, who would have thought that you could sit in one corner of the world and see and talk to somebody on the other corner of the world just with a device held in your hand, right? Technology has made it possible. AI is going to open up endless possibilities in every domain. As an example, a great accountant that does not know how to use technology versus an average accountant that is good at technology. The one that's good at technology brings in a new scale. He can perform, math at a different scale, a whole new possibilities opened. And likewise, an architect fabulously well in his job but does not know how to use technology versus an average architect very good at technology brings in a new possibility of visualization to its customers. And it's so true in every field. Technology is the vital element for scale. It's true in manufacturing, it's true in every other field as well. So technology in itself is not going to cost anybody's job. People that know how to use technology will be the ones to forge ahead. Make sure to upgrade yourselves, use your weekends to bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to be. And make sure technology, adaptation, learning is a part of that. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow.